Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone and tools. Charge above 50% and plug a reliable USB cable. This prevents mid-process shutdowns. Once done, confirm fast boot drivers and My Flash are installed on your PC and note the exact device model. Boot into MI recovery by holding volume up plus power until the recovery menu appears. Do not release early. You need to see the main recovery screen. If you see fast boot, reboot and try again, because actions differ across modes. You now diagnose the corrupted main menu by checking which entries are missing. Use a DB, run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB shell to inspect /cache/recovery and /data/system for recovery-related files. Once those files are visible, pull recovery. Log and last KMSG to identify permission errors or missing binaries. Make sure to compare file sizes and timestamps. Discrepancies indicate incomplete updates. If entries are present but non-responsive, remount the partition read-write and verify symlinks and SC Linux labels to rule out permission problems. You finish by restoring or repairing the recovery image. If logs show corrupted binaries, flash the official recovery. IMG via fastboot flash recovery. IMG, then fastboot reboot recovery. Once booted, recreate missing menu files, set correct ownership and permissions with chown and chmod, and run restorkin to fix SE Linux contexts. Make sure to clear cache before rebooting. If the menu still fails, boot fastboot and perform a factory restore as a last resort, but keep backups. Troubleshooting tip: if flashing fails, try a different USB port and a known good cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.